Hi there. Thanks for stopping by E-commerce Management. My name is Kurt Anderson. We are so thrilled and honored that you stopped by. We're here to talk about our e-commerce training track. It's called E2. My partner in crime, Damon Postolka. Damon, what are we talking about here in E2?
Well, Kurt, in this one, we're going to be talking about building a sound digital foundation.
Nice. Jeffrey, each track that we build out, we have 4 different sessions. Talk about the 4 different sessions that we have rolling out through this particular track.
Yeah, so these are designed in a specific order for a specific reason, and that's to get you the most out of the track possible. The first module that we're going to cover is Google Tools and Resources. So that's covering the whole entire Google suite. It's going to be very in-depth, very exciting, a lot of information, and it'll teach you some things that you might have not already known in the first place. Secondly, we're going to go over to Keyword Mastery. Keyword Mastery is going to be a game changer for you. It is going to show you things that webmasters and professionals like us have been doing for years that we keep secret. So we're going to let the cat out of the bag, and we're going to share those secrets with you. It's going to be really exciting. Number 3 is our third module is going to be winning with your website. Damon does a phenomenal job. We really dial in, and we have tons of examples of great and not so great websites to look at and obviously take part in. But it's a very exciting thing. So obviously it's just kind of trending in towards one direction, right? Then the last module of the track is building a community. So you're going to take all these tools you've learned over the last 3 weeks, and then you're going to work on focusing on building your community around your business, around your customers, and of course around where you're trying to go and what you're trying to do. So we're really excited about this track. E2 is going to be awesome.
Man, that is phenomenal. I can't wait to plow into this. So guys, we're going to click below. We're going to talk a little bit about each module, each session during this track. So click on the video below, and we can't wait to see you there.